Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change numbering in publisher table of content. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to change numbering list in this table of content. Firstly, select the numbering list. Click and drag on our mouse, then go to the home menu and click the numbering option. Now we can see here many numbering list. Now we choose another list. Now I select the Roman. Then we can see we change the numbering list, this publisher table of content, very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.